Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to leave a class in a Khan Academy. Very easy. You come here at the top right, click on your username. You'll get this drop down. I want you to click on this second option that says Learner Home. We'll click on this and we get redirected to this page. Now I want you to look on this left-hand panel. Under My Account, you'll see this option, Teachers. Go ahead and click on that. And here you'll see your different teachers. So let's say this is my teacher whose class I want to leave. All you need to do is come here and click on Remove. So click on that. And here you'll get this pop-up. All you need to do is click on Remove. Okay? So go ahead and click on this. And there we go. It says I have no teachers. And you can still see this class here. Don't worry. We just need to refresh. It just takes about 5 to 10 seconds. So if I refresh this right now, let's see. There we go. That class has been removed. Really that easy and simple.